Eto guys alam niyo bakit third world tayo ng Pilipinas?
Look! Third world tayo?
Akala ko fourth.
Nasa architecture.
Alam, sabi nun, nakabili ng expander.
Sabi nun, guys, eto, lasing na ako, pre. Expander, brand new. Shoutout sa Mitsubishi City Motors. Maraming salamat from our friend, Anyway, pansinin nyo lahat ng mga first world countries. Any other world na nasa first world or second world classification, sa ibang mga bansa na medyo progressive aside from us, napakalaki ng importance ng architecture. Una-una, hindi lang naman kasi ang design ng bahay nyo. Architects that's a common misconception about architects. Pero, architects are very vital in nation building. Why? Because we are aware of how the culture works. Doon din naman ako nakikita. Totoo guys, may pera sa architecture. Yung mga walang pera sa architecture, mga kayo.
Humble lang.
Ay, humble ako. Pero architects are very vital in our nation building. Why? Because yung mga architects, they play a key role doon sa identity ng isang bansa.
Wala pa rin architectural identity ang Pilipinas.
Wala. Hindi, guys, ang architectural identity ng Pilipinas, it is rooted in Bahay Kubo.
Wala.
Kuya Mike, Bahay Kubo yun. Mas marunong ka ba sa akin ng architect? To answer to Kuya Mike's question, yun ang advocacy namin. Ako, personally, as architect, Jeric Manzano, and my company, Novas Design Lab, we are advocating for a modern Filipino identity in terms of architecture.
Doon ako siguro nalulungkot.
Same.
Wag na tayo lumayo, Asia. Japan.
Japan.
Alam mong Japanese building yung isang building. Middle East, Dubai. Alam mong Burj Khalifa is Middle Eastern architecture. So, doon siguro tayo naglalaki. Naintindihan ko na designers don't work in a vacuum. Designers need money. Designers need support. Pero at the same time, designers need push. Malaysia, tallest building doon sa bansa nila, Petronas Tower. That is quintessential Malaysian architecture kasi may hint ng pag una mong tingin, anong pinakamataas na building sa Pilipinas ngayon?
Yung lumang City Hall ng Makati. Hindi gagi.
City Hall.
Sinasabi natin, PBCom, mali.
Hindi, alam ko.
Ano? Nasa BGC.
Nasa BGC, yung RCBC.
Metrobank.
Metrobank pala.
Metrobank.
Akala ko yung...
Pero pag tinignan mo yung Metrobank, walang DNA ng Philippine architecture. So, nandun tayo sa meron tayong identity crisis na how do we define ourselves architecturally? Na unang tingin, Dubai, Burj Khalifa, na Middle Eastern architecture to. Empire State Building. New York. Quintessential North American architecture. Yun yung lacking sa Pilipinas ngayon. I mean, ako meron akong general knowledge in terms of design na yun yung hinahanap kong kiliti ngayon.
Na-appreciate ko yung Kuya Mike sa totoo lang. Because the
challenge ngayon
sa architecture yun talaga yung challenge with our profession. Lahat naman kahit sa the projects all over the world,
guys,
kailangan talaga ng engineers.
Jerry is passionate about this work.
Naman. For sure. Sobra ng passionate, pre. Pero yun nga, where the architecture profession kasi dito sa Pilipinas, no, compared to other countries or other like first world countries, na may importance talaga because it is vital nga, again, like what I said earlier, it is vital in nation building, in establishing the cultural identity of that country. Sa Pilipinas kasi very seldom pa yung mga architectural marvels dito kasi nga we do not give much importance to the profession.
Alam mo bakit? Filipinos or Philippines in particular is a damaged culture.
In what sense?
In terms of World War II, na natural development ng isang nation, ng isang country, in terms of nation building, isipin mo na lang, fetus pa lang ang Pilipinas noong 1940s. War came. Nalaglag tayo. Wala tayong sense of nation building. Wala tayong sense of nation identity. Hot take to. Sorry sa mainis. Alam mo yung Thai architecture. Alam mo yung Vietnamese architecture. Alam mo yung Malaysian architecture, Singapore architecture. identical yung dalawang yan. Indonesian architecture. Pero ang Philippines, pag tinignan mo, more on Metro Manila, sobrang brick and mortar.
Sobrang westernized.
Kasi wala tayong self-identity na stunt yung growth natin.
To add on to your points, no? Sa Filipino kasi, we were dismissal of our culture.
May colonial mentality.
May colonial mentality. Parang we always adapt to the western influence of that. Ay, imagine mo pare yung Thai culture. 'Di ba? Bakit tayo pupunta ng Thailand? Tingnan mo yung Thailand, they boast of their culture. Sa Pilipinas kasi, yung mga
Nakakahiya.
ikinakahiya.
Pero alam mo bakit?
Kasi mahirap. Tingnan mo pare, yung kasalanan din ng mga Pilipino to pare. Imagine mo pre, yung culture ng mga Badjaw. Na sobrang rich ng culture ng mga Badjaw pag inaral mo siya. Bakit siya na-reduce siya into nanlilimos sa mga jeep? It trace back to yung corruption dito, yung political shit dito. Masyadong na-neglect yung yung na-neglect nila yung development ng ibang probinsya. So, parang hindi tayo nag-focus sa pag-develop ng culture natin. Parang we always cope with the western influence dun sa architecture, sa ating way of life, etc. etc.